So I've been working on this improvement for the Louis Rossmann attack robot. So I built this thing before on this, which is basically kind of sort of like a skateboard. And one of the issues that I was running into is with the camera. Since this is so thin, it actually wobbled quite a bit as it moved around. So as it would turn, it would also wobble. And so when you're doing object tracking and the platform your camera is on is wobbling, that gets you all kinds of just crazy responses. So I created this big flat base for the robot. It gives me a lot more room to put components on, plus it gives me a much more stable system for this, right? So I got my little power thing here from the USB power supply. This is my Goal Zero. I will tell you, the Goal Zero power supply is actually very loud. If you can hear that noise, that's not the A6 computer. I thought it was the A6 computer. It's not. It's actually the little battery down here. It really ramps up its fan. But again, we got our battery, we got our real computer, we got a little power converter there, we've got our Arduino, we've got our camera, and obviously we have OpenCV running. And so with OpenCV, it basically tracks and will move the robot based off of the face that it sees. So when we show it Louis Rossmann, it'll go after Louis Rossmann. So okay, let's see how this works. Okay, see it detect, see it's detecting Louis Rossmann. All right, go after Louis Rossmann. There, see, it's tracking. It's like, oh, I want some Louis Rossmann. Oh, give me some Louis Rossmann. Oh, I can taste that Louis Rossmann meat right now. So there we go. So now we have the system. It is working better with having that nice, big, flatter, more stable base. And so we are going to be building off of this version of the robot going into the future. So don't worry. I know some of you are worried. You're like, oh my God, what if right to repair passes? What if I'm allowed to solder my own motherboards? I know you're scared of that. It's okay. We are going to make sure that this robot is able to track Louis Rossmann, and then we will create a gazillion of them, and Louis Rossmann will be taken down.